treasure.
Hunt treasure.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Come here. Let's see what the map says. Here, hold the map. And I'll hold your glass. Your little thing.
Yeah.
Yep. The map says, go to the tree.
Okay.
Go to the tree. 1, 2, go to the tree. Walk around the tree 3 times. 1.
Wow.
Whoa. Keep walking around the tree.
I saw something.
What is that?
My beans.
Beads.
Yeah. It was.
Treasure beads.
Yeah. That's
You better look through your thing and make sure nobody else is watching you. Here. Do you see? Other eye. Can't look through your rotten eye. Look at me.
I see a tree.
A tree. Do you see any other pirates? Pirates anywhere?
This one and that tree.
Oh my goodness. Here. Put your beads around your neck. Shh. Stupid dog. Alright, come on, let's go this way. Go that way. You know where the gate is?
Yeah.
Go slow. You don't want to miss any treasure.
No. There might be mud in the back.
Well, keep going. I need to cut these bushes, Dick.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Where's the back tree?
Do you see it?
No.
I think you're supposed to knock on the gate. Look.
What?
Look. I found some.
No?
More treasure.
Okay. Where?
Go. What's that? I see more treasure.
Where?
Right there. Right there.
I have one too.
Now the next thing says you're supposed to go look under the slide.
I know. Right?
Yep.
Yeah. No, mine. Let's go look.
Let's go look. You should find some tools. What's underneath there?
I don't see nothing in there.
I see some shovels. That's what you need. You have to dig for treasure. How about you put your other beads on? And I hold your shovels a minute. Hot. Let me help you?
Yeah.
Okay, now get your shovel.
Yeah.
And you have to walk around the boat. This way, yep, yep. And climb up on the boat. Let me help you?
No.
Here. Feet in the holes. And go over here and down the slide. But there might be treasure inside there.
I found it.
Treasure!
Yeah.
And put it on your head. And go down. Uh-oh, you lost your hat.
Uh-oh.
Here, put your beads on. Gonna... Good job. Put them on. And your hat.
Yeah.
And it says that there's treasure in here.
Is this in here?
Yeah, in this box. You have to, uh-oh. Dig for it. Oh, look. There's a pile, it has an X on it. I bet there's treasure in there too. Right here. Get in. Why are you throwing a fit? It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Yep, dig in that big pile.
She's in that big pile.
Right here. What is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? You can take that hat off of her now. What's in there?
Thistle.
Treasure.
Yeah.
I bet there's some more. Maybe right here. In this. Here. I'll hold your treasure. Here, dig right here.
I can't.
Why?
Whoa.
Why can you not dig? Because there's sand in your shoes?
Yeah.
Well, here, dig right here. I bet you'll find more treasure.
Okay.
You did! More treasure! Oh my goodness! Uh-oh, what's that sound? Do you hear it? It's TikTok Croc! I think it's cannons! What was that? Oh my goodness!
Let me do that.
I can't do this and hold the camera.
Ah.
You could offer to help. Uh-oh! That one did not pop. Cannons!
Yeah.
Take it over there. Why don't you put her in the bouncer so you can camera and play balloons with us without splashing your sister's bouncer, please. You found treasure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's take the balloons over here. Uh-oh, some of them weak. Oh, come on.
Whistle.
Cannon fight.
Can't fight.
Yeah.
Ah. Just looking at us.
Shooting at you.
You to me.
I'm gonna shoot at you.
I don't do that.
Oh.
Ugh. I don't.
Ah!
I missed
You
it.
missed. You better run.
Oh. Oh.
Ah! What's wrong?
You got me wet.
I know, they're water balloons. Ah!
Don't get me.
Yeah, you can go throw some balloons at him.
Yeah.
Go get Daddy. Oh my goodness.
That's why I
It didn't pop. Go get him. He's going to get some cannons.
didn't pop. You missed it. You missed
Throw it at him.
I got you wet.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Run, Jackson, get him. He's trying to escape. He's escaping.
I got you.
Oh no.
Ugh.
Oh, I got you. Hey, Daddy. Uh-oh.
Missed him.
Ah!
Out there.
Oh, what happened? Oh!
I got
Ah! Oh! Why do they not pop until after they... Oh! Ah! You got me wet. Ah! Ah! Oh! Ah! Cannons! I'm gonna steal your treasure! Ah! Don't get me! No! Ah! Ah! Damn it. Already? I have to blow up some more in a little while. That's why those balloons didn't blow up like regular balloons.
I got one more.
Ugh.
Keep on this out.
That's a baby one. It must have had a hole in it.
Yeah.
That's Bobo.
Yeah. I did not pop.
I don't know, Boo Boo. Was that fun?
There's water on
Yeah. Was that fun?